Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English Together, the cozy podcast where you can improve your English through real friendly conversations. I'm Jessie.
And I'm Wyatt. Hello, everyone. It's so good to have you here again. Today, we're doing something a little different and really fun.
Yes. Today's episode is all about our favorite words in English.
Exactly. We use English every single day, but sometimes we forget how beautiful or interesting some words can be.
That's true. There are words that just feel good to say, or that have a special meaning, or even remind us of a nice memory.
And we'll talk about all of that today: sound, meaning, emotion, all through our favorite English words.
Plus, this is a great way for you, our listeners, to learn vocabulary naturally. Instead of memorizing lists, you'll hear how words are used in real conversation.
Exactly. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's start talking about words that make us smile.
So, Wyatt, let's start with the big question. What's one of your favorite English words?
Hmm. Okay, this might sound simple, but my favorite word is serendipity.
Ah, that's such a good one. Serendipity. It even sounds magical.
Right? For anyone who doesn't know, serendipity means finding something good when you weren't looking for it, like a happy accident.
Exactly. For example, if you're walking down the street and suddenly run into an old friend you haven't seen in years, that's serendipity.
Yes, it's one of these words that makes you pause. It's soft, elegant, and full of surprise.
And it has a kind of rhythm when you say it. Serendipity. It feels nice to pronounce.
Totally. I love how English sometimes has words that sound like what they mean emotionally, and serendipity feels like a smile.
I love that description. Feels like a smile.
Thank you. What about you, Jessie? What's one of your favorite words?
Okay, one of my favorites is cozy,
Oh, yes, that's such a comforting word.
right? Cozy means warm, safe, and comfortable, especially in a small or peaceful space.
Like sitting on the couch with a blanket and a cup of hot chocolate on a rainy day.
Exactly. It's not just about the temperature, it's about a feeling.
That's so true. That's why it's such a popular word. People love describing cozy moments, cozy cafes, cozy homes, cozy nights in.
Yes, and it's easy to use in daily life. You can say, "This place feels cozy," or "I love cozy evenings."
Or even, let's make it cozy in here. It's simple, but it creates a beautiful image.
Totally. And fun fact, cozy is one of the top words people use in winter captions online.
That doesn't surprise me at all.
So we have serendipity, a word for lucky surprises, and cozy, a word for warmth and peace. Two great vibes already.
Definitely. Okay, I have another favorite word. It's luminous.
Ooh, nice choice. Luminous means something that gives off light, right?
Yes, glowing, shining softly. But what I love about it is that it's not just about physical light. It can also describe people or ideas.
Ah, like she has a luminous smile, or his words were luminous with hope.
Exactly, it's poetic. It makes ordinary light sound magical.
It really does. The OS ending gives it that smooth, elegant feeling.
Right. And it rolls off the tongue. Luminous.
You know, I think part of learning English is not just understanding meaning, but enjoying how words feel when you say them.
That's such an important point. When you enjoy the sound, you remember it better.
Exactly.
So, Jessie, what's another one of your favorites?
Hmm. I really love the word wander.
That's a good one. It means to walk slowly or travel without a specific plan, right?
Yes, like when you say, I wandered through the park, or I love to wander around the city. It means to move peacefully, without hurry.
It has a relaxed, thoughtful feeling, not lost, but exploring.
Exactly. It reminds me of curiosity, of taking time to notice the world.
That's a great way to look at it. And it's easy to remember because of how it sounds. Wander.
Yes, and it connects with another word I like, wonder.
Ah, yes, wander and wonder. They sound similar but mean different things. We call those near homophones.
Right. Wander with an A is to move, and wonder with an O is to think or feel amazed.
For example, I wonder what's inside that box, or I wonder how the stars work.
Exactly. Wonder is full of imagination, while wander is full of adventure.
Oh, that's beautiful. It's like their brother and sister words.
Yes, the poetic family of wander and wonder.
Let's give our listeners a few sentences to practice with these.
Good idea.
Repeat after me.
I found my favorite book by serendipity. This cafe feels so cozy. Her smile was luminous in the morning light. Sometimes I just wander through new places. I wonder what tomorrow will bring.
Perfect. You see, even just saying them feels calming.
Yes. And for English learners, these words aren't just vocabulary, they're emotions in words.
Exactly. And that's why it's fun to learn them through conversation.
Okay, your turn again, Wyatt. Next favorite word.
One of my all-time favorites is tranquil,
Ah, I love that one. It sounds peaceful even when you say it.
right? Tranquil means calm, quiet, and free from stress or noise.
For example, the lake was calm and tranquil, or I enjoy the tranquil sound of rain. Exactly. It's like peaceful but softer, more poetic.
Yes, and there's something about the tar sound. It feels balanced.
Agreed. When I hear tranquil, I picture a quiet garden, maybe a sunrise.
That's such a nice image. And these words, tranquil, cozy, luminous, they all create pictures in your mind. That's true. That's why words are powerful. Like they shape how we feel.
Exactly. Language isn't just communication, it's emotional design.
Wow, that's deep, Jessie.
Sorry, I got carried away.
No, I love it. It's true. Words can change your mood.
Totally. Like one more I love. Bloom.
Ah, yes, bloom means to open up or to grow, like flowers do.
Yes. You can say, the flowers are blooming, or she's blooming with confidence.
It's a word that feels alive, like something becoming its best version.
Exactly. It's hopeful.
I think every English learner should have a few words like that, words that make them smile when they use them.
I agree. Because when you feel connected to a word, you'll never forget it.
Let's do a short speaking challenge.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us. I feel cozy on rainy days. The stars looked luminous tonight. I found this cafe by serendipity. I like to wander and discover new places. My mind feels tranquil after meditation. I'm blooming with confidence this year. Beautiful. Those sentences sound like little poems.
Yes. And if you're listening, remember, repeat them out loud. Speaking helps your brain remember pronunciation and rhythm.
Exactly. And try saying them slowly, with emotion. It makes your English sound natural, not robotic.
Perfect advice.
You know, Jessie, I think people's favorite words often say something about their personality.
That's true. For example, you love serendipity. That shows you appreciate little surprises and happy moments.
Exactly. And you love cozy. That says you value comfort and warmth.
Guilty.
It's interesting. If you asked 10 people for their favorite words, you'd get 10 little stories. Yes, because words connect to memories.
For example, my grandmother used to say, bloom where you're planted. It means wherever you are in life, try to grow.
That's so beautiful.
It is, and because of that, bloom became special to me.
That's such a good example of how language and emotion connect.
Yes, do you have a story like that? A word with a personal meaning?
Yes, I think peace. It's simple, but powerful.
Oh, I love that one.
When I was learning to meditate, I kept seeing that word everywhere. On books, in songs. And now whenever I hear peace, I take a deep breath.
That's perfect. Sometimes short words carry the biggest meaning.
Exactly.
All right, let's do a quick recap for everyone listening.
Sure. Today we talked about words we love and why we love them.
Emotional and sensory words like serendipity, cozy, luminous, wander, wonder, tranquil, bloom, and peace.
How to use these words naturally in sentences.
The difference between wander and wonder.
And how words can make your English sound more emotional and expressive.
Exactly.
So now it's your turn, listeners. Think about your favorite English word. Maybe it's something simple like smile or music, or maybe it's something poetic like serenity or hope.
Yes, and write it in the comments below. Tell us your favorite word and why you love it.
We'd love to read your answers.
And remember, the best way to learn vocabulary is to connect it with feelings and stories. That's how words stay in your heart, not just your memory.
Beautifully said.
Thank you.
So, friends, thank you for joining us today on Learn English Together.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends.
And practice using these new words. Even one or two a day makes a big difference.
Exactly. Remember, learning English isn't just about grammar or rules, it's about discovering the beauty inside the words.
That's a perfect closing line.
I try.
All right, everyone. Keep smiling, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.